Now, these are the agendas we agreed. Number one, efforts to keep ODM united, intact, and have impact in the political scene. Agenda number two, how we, the Luo elders, can mobilize huge support to the broad-based government, especially during the 2027 elections. Agenda number three, request your office, we have requested this office to give us support to enable us mobilize voters using our grassroots networks all over Nairobi and Kenya. Request your office again to organize how we can meet with His Excellency William Daktari Samoei Ruto. Agenda number five, express our full support to ODM leader Oburu Oginga, negotiate on his behalf, negotiate on our behalf of ODM pre-election coalition arrangements with UDA through President Ruto. That is what we have agreed on for today. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to support, and we as the elders of Nairobi, to support broad-based of this country through our brother here. I call him brother because we struggled in second liberation with him, to support us as elders of Nairobi to make sure that this thing extends up to the level of our grassroots people, to know that all of us, we are in the government and there is nowhere, understand that word, nowhere we are going apart from being in this government.